3. Serpos heat press machine for t-shirts. The third on this list of best sublimation printers for shirts is the Serpos heat press machine for t-shirts 5-in-1. This printer has been created by mixing of all the amazing features of the best printers ever created. Whenever shirt printing is discussed, this printer is definitely included in the top picks. So it is guaranteed that choosing this printer will not be a regretful choice. Now let's discuss the most interesting features of the Serpos heat press machine. This printer is convenient and outcomes with overheating protection, so your shirt designing would be easy and safe. There is no threat of getting burnt in the process of crafting designs on shirts. It is safe even though the designs are made at a temperature of 360 degrees. No burns, just quick speed. The Serpos heat press machine has all-in-one feature and has 5-in-1 heat press options include the 1 mug press, 2 plate press, Teflon-coated platen, and 1 cap press. There are some goods and then there are some bads of the Serpos heat press machine. You can analyze it properly after its use. For the most part, it has a protected and durable heat press that helps to give out amazing shirt prints. The body styling is great, and the working capacity is also versatile as it can create any type of designs within few minutes having 5-in-1 heat press options. All that for just a little power that it requires for the printer to run. Talking about the downside, it is a weighty printer which also does not come with a countdown timer.